Look at this. Messy wiring in PABX room. Limited to workspace wiring. Not scalable and limited to application integration and multi-SIP line. Consider Avaya IP phones or hybrid system with flexibility and scalable, can shared your network port with phones or through Wi-Fi that's reduce your cabling cost. Phone extension follow the user relocation, integration with your contact center, CRM, email, and multi-SIP lines? Absolutely. Picture this, seamless voicemail to email, effortless call forwarding, and even video conferencing, all from your IP phone. Unified communications mean better collaboration and happier teams. Remote work? No problem. Employees can use their office lines from anywhere, even on their smartphones. Plus, centralized administration makes user management a breeze, with remote updates, 24/7 maintenance support to minimize downtime. Keep your communications secure with advanced encryption, ensuring compliance and peace of mind. Stay ahead of the curve and avoid obsolescence with Avaya IP phones. Migrate today for a more efficient, productive, and connected office environment. Avaya IP phones, your key to modern communication. V-Network. PBX as a service and unified communication as a service.